var bare vildt mange københavner, der var vildt til. Så der stod cirka 300 mennesker, som blev ret nøje på en gang første dag, hvor man gør det højde. Men det er som en klæder på naboerne.
Jamen det...
And as we all know, big cities have equally big landmarks, right? Paris, pretty big, has a pretty big tower, the Eiffel Tower. New York, ginormous, has an incredibly enormous statue called the Statue of Liberty. But Copenhagen is a very small city, so we also have a very little landmark for you to see. It's coming up soon on the right after the wooden pillar, and the landmark is half woman, half fish, and 100% statue. And it is, of course, our Little Mermaid coming up on our right. Storbyer, de har store landemærker. Paris er ret stor, har et ret stort tårn, der hedder Eiffeltårnet. New York er kæmpe, har et kæmpe statue, der hedder Blødbrydning. Men København er ikke en stor by, det er faktisk en ret lille by. Vi har også en lille by, der hedder højre ret, og der er sådan lige nogle lille havn. From the boat, you are lucky enough to get a rare glimpse of her beautiful backside. If you also want the front side, then order your ticket. We will give you a 20% discount to our bus tour. They stop right in front of us. This statue was originally commissioned by the son of Carl Jacobs, who was one of the founders of Carlsberg, which is probably the best beer in the world. And he was very enchanted with the character after seeing a later focus of the fairy tale. And then he asked his sculptor, Edvard Eriksen, to make this statue. Det var oprindeligt Carl Jacobsens søn, som var en af grundlæggerne Carlsberg, der ville stille statuen af vores fire havn. Det var efter at have været tur i Berlin og set op i vores eventyr. Og så spurgte han til nogen om, hvor de ikke var på eventyr. Yes, there's some singing and a stealing old man. Our Little Mermaid has had a pretty tough time. She has had her head chopped off twice. Her arm has been cut off once, and sometimes she also has paint splattered on her. Every single time it happens, they've made sure to fix her up, get her back on the rock ASAP, so she's ready again to greet everyone, coming into wonderful Copenhagen. Hello, Captain. The costume, yes, very good. Vores lille afbræt, fordi vi hårdt liv, der blev hugget hovedet af 2 gange. Armen er hugget af næste gang, og nu er der også nogle, der skal gøre maling på os. Hver eneste gang det sker, så de sørger for at få fikset igen, få ind tilbage på stenen, hurtigst muligt, og der igen så bliver alle velkommen i København.